Welcome to the Cash Flow Company. Today we're going to talk about one simple way to make investing easier, how to get money easier, faster, and cheaper. Today we're going to talk about business credit cards. So why business credit cards? Because business credit cards do the one thing that most investors need: help raise your credit score. I know we don't like to talk about credit scores, but this is an easy fix. What happens is most of the investors that we know, and even yourself, probably use personal credit cards for all your investment needs. So what happens when you do that? You raise your balances. It lowers your credit score. In fact, 30% of your credit score is based on your credit usage. The only other thing that's bigger than credit usage is if you're paying your credit on time. If you're not paying your credit on time, it's going to be hard to get better leverage anyway. We're going to show you one easy trick to raise that credit score, get everything off your credit, because it doesn't only affect your business, it affects your personal life too. When you go get that home loan or that car or that boat, they're going to check your credit. And if your credit cards are racked up with business expenses, it's going to make life tougher on both your business and your personal side. We talk about buckets of money a lot, and the buckets of money all goes into each project has a bucket of money which you need, typically for purchase price, rehab, everything else. Part of that bucket of money comes from your side, part of it comes from the lender side. The beautiful thing again about business credit cards is it helps both buckets, because number one, the business credit card is going to put more money in your bucket, in your side, to help with that project. It's also going to help with your credit score. So your options, your leverage, everything else on the lending side is going to get easier with better terms and better rates. And I want to make sure you understand we're here to help, so we're going to help you put this all together. A lot of people would rather put more work into a property than just a little bit of work into the finance. So we want to make it easy, walk you through step by step how to get the best card, because there are business credit cards out there that still report, like Capital One and some other ones. You want to make sure when you get that business credit card, it does not report on your personal credit. So like I said, we're going to make that easy, and we're going to throw in a bonus of $500 off your next loan you do with us if it's a flip or a rental. So we want to make it not only convenient for you, but also help you with your buckets of money and get you some money off. So just remember, in finance, credit score is the main driving force on what you're going to get. How many lenders are going to offer you money? What loan to values? What terms and rates? By raising your score, you get better financing. Better financing opens up more options for buying deals, because now you'll have different lenders allowing you to maybe have someone who moves fast and can get that deal that's right on the market, or someone that has better rates or longer term. Your credit score will determine a lot of this, and the business credit card is the number one way to make that credit score jump for investors, and it's very easy. Now, a business credit card is not like a corporate credit card. Business credit cards are easy, and you could do it tomorrow. You can have a business credit card applied for and probably have it back in a week. Corporate credit cards are a little bit harder. That's where you have to build your corporate credit. You have to go through Dun & Bradstreet, and it takes months and even years to get to that point. We're talking about something that's easy, fast, and it's something you use every day. All you need is a business, a bank account. If you're in business right now and you have the business name and you have a bank account and you have a good credit score, you could get a business card now, and that will impact your credit more than anything else, because you're going to stop paying contractors and supplies and everything else on your personal cards. You're going to move them to your business cards. It's not going to report, so it doesn't matter if you max them out. Like personal credit cards, you have to be 30% or below to not impact your credit score. On your business side, when you move them over there, you can max them out, and the credit card companies actually like that, and they'll even give you more credit for doing that. It's a benefit on the business side. It is not on the personal, and the corporate side just takes a lot longer to do. So remember, business credit cards are easy to get. You can do it now, but you do need to use your credit score, and you're going to have to personally guarantee it. Here at the Cash Flow Company, remember, our main focus is making investing easier. We are on the leverage side. We're the funding side. We want to make sure your buckets, the money you bring to each deal, puts more money in your pocket, just doesn't make it tougher. That's why we have these strategies like business credit cards, HELOCs, real people's money. All of these things are here to help you become a better, more profitable investor. So look below for that link that I talked to you about, so we can help you go step by step to get the best credit card. But not only that, we could help you design, we'll do a one-on-one, help you design your buckets of money and give you $500 off the next loan you do with us. So let's keep the money train rolling, and we'll see you on the next video.